Have you ever wondered why some homes seem to radiate prosperity, success, and happiness, while others, even though well-decorated, seem stuck in scarcity? Perhaps you visited houses where everything seems to flow effortlessly. Opportunities come, money is never lacking, and the energy is always positive. Have you ever stopped to think what the secret of these places might be? The answer might be closer than you think, right on the walls of your own home. What many people don't realize is that the colors you choose to paint your home can be much more than just an aesthetic decision. According to ancient Buddhist teachings, colors do more than decorate. They carry energy, capable of deeply influencing our daily lives. Today I'm going to reveal how you can use colors to transform your home into a magnet for prosperity, attract money, improve your relationships, and keep poverty away once and for all. Are you ready to discover how the simple act of painting a wall can change the flow of energy in your life? If you're looking for an effective way to attract abundance and opportunities, pay close attention, because at the end of this video, I'll also share a secret about how to combine these colors strategically to maximize their power and ensure that your home becomes a true sanctuary of prosperity. Now, before we continue, take a moment to think about what color you believe attracts the most wealth. Could it be gold, green, red? Leave your guess in the comments. And if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I promise that what you're about to discover will change not only your perspective on your home, but also on how you can attract abundance and success into your life. Colors and their powerful energy. Since ancient times, cultures around the world have recognized the power that colors have over our emotions and well-being. Buddhists, in particular, believe that colors can directly influence the energy of your environment, affecting your mental state, relationships, and yes, even your financial situation. But how exactly does it work? Imagine your home as a large container of energy. Every color you choose can either increase or decrease the vibration of that energy. If you select the right colors, you can create an environment that aligns with abundance, personal growth, and financial stability. However, if you choose colors that don't resonate with your goals, you might be blocking the flow of positive energy without even realizing it. Let's explore together some of the most powerful colors that, according to Buddhist teachings, can unlock the flow of prosperity in your life. 1. Green, the color of growth and renewal. Green is the color that symbolizes nature, growth, and expansion. Have you noticed how plants always seem to thrive effortlessly? That's because green is the color of life, of constant renewal. Painting a room like your dining area or a home office in shades of green can be like planting seeds of abundance right on your walls. By doing so, you invite the energy of personal and financial growth into your home. Imagine a space where opportunities naturally flourish, where everything you touch seems to prosper. This is the power of green. Where in your home do you feel you need more growth? Perhaps in your workspace to boost your projects, or in the living room to improve family and social relationships. 2. Gold. Wealth and inner wisdom. Gold has always been the color of wealth, not only material but also spiritual. Incorporating gold details into your home, such as in the entryway or living room, sends a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive what you deserve: success, abundance, and fulfillment. Imagine walking into your home and being greeted by subtle golden touches that radiate success. This color not only symbolizes money but also self-confidence. the belief that you are worthy of all the good the world has to offer. Where in your home would you like to feel more successful? Adding gold accents might be the first step to attracting the energy of fulfillment and achievement. 3. Red. Strength and action. Red is a powerful color, symbolizing action, passion, and energy. When you surround yourself with this color, it's like filling your home with vibrant, unstoppable energy. Painting spaces like the kitchen or an office with red accents pushes you to make important decisions and act with determination. Have you ever felt a surge of energy that makes you feel like you could accomplish anything? That's the power of red. Bring that strength into your daily life, and I assure you that your goals will start to take shape. Where in your life do you feel like you need more drive and determination? Red could be just what you need to push those projects you've put on hold. 4. Blue. Calm and wisdom. If you're looking to create a refuge of peace and tranquility in your home, blue is your color. This soft hue has the power to calm the mind, clear your thoughts, and help you make wiser decisions. Can you imagine having a bedroom painted in blue, where every night you can disconnect from the day's stress and anxiety? Blue is ideal for bedrooms and offices, as it promotes serenity and focus. With this color, you'll be creating an environment where you can think clearly and make decisions from a place of peace. Where in your home do you need a bit more calm? Blue could be the key to transforming your space into a true sanctuary of serenity. 5. Yellow. Creativity and joy. Yellow is the color of the sun, of joy, and it has the power to spark new ideas and fill your home with optimism. If you're looking for a creative boost, maybe for a personal or professional project, consider adding yellow to your office or study. This color not only brightens the space, but also brightens your mind. It helps you think more clearly and fills you with positive energy. Where in your life do you feel you need more joy and creativity? Maybe painting a room yellow will be the first step to inspire that new idea you've been waiting for. 6. Orange. Balance in relationships. Orange is the color of warmth and connection. This tone is perfect for social areas like the living room or kitchen, where people gather to share moments. Painting these spaces in orange creates a welcoming and harmonious atmosphere, helping to strengthen family and social relationships. Think about those conversations that flow effortlessly, where everyone feels comfortable. That's what orange brings to your home. Where do you need more connection and warmth in your life? Orange could be the key to attracting harmonious relationships and new opportunities. 7. White. Purity and renewal. Finally, white is the color of renewal and energetic cleansing. Painting spaces like hallways or passage areas in white opens the way for new energies to enter your home. If you feel it's time for a fresh start or you need a new beginning, white is the perfect color for you. This color creates a sense of space and freedom, allowing you to breathe and open yourself to new opportunities. Where in your life do you need a fresh start? Paint it white and see how a small change can bring about a great transformation. The secret is in the combination. Now that you know the individual colors and their effects, I'm going to reveal the true secret. The key lies in how you combine them. Using these colors strategically in the right areas of your house can multiply their effects and create a flow of energy that works in your favor. For example, green in the east, gold in the west, and red in the south are powerful combinations that activate energies of growth, success, and recognition. Imagine a home where every color works in harmony to attract prosperity, not just materially, but also emotionally and spiritually. Are you ready to transform your life and your home? The answer is in your hands, or rather, in your paintbrush. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content that will help you create a space full of positive energy. And remember, every color you choose is an opportunity to attract more prosperity and success into your life. See you in the next video.